History shows that the biggest investment opportunities are often recognized only in hindsight. The investors who entered China in the 1990s saw potential before everyone else. Many entrepreneurs who invested in Southeast Asia did the same. Today, investors are asking a similar question: what does Vietnam's future look like? Because while Vietnam has already achieved remarkable growth, many believe its biggest opportunities are still ahead. Investors don't focus only on where economies are today, they look at where growth is heading. Vietnam stands out because several powerful trends are happening at the same time: strong economic growth, urbanization, digital transformation, infrastructure development, rising foreign investment, a rapidly expanding middle class. When these trends come together, they often create significant long-term investment opportunities. Technology is expected to be one of Vietnam's biggest long-term growth sectors. As businesses digitize and consumers move online, demand continues to grow for artificial intelligence, software development, cloud services, cybersecurity, fintech, digital transformation. At the same time, rising incomes are driving demand for better healthcare and higher quality education. This creates opportunities in private healthcare, medical technology, senior care, international education, professional training, online learning. These sectors are supported by long-term demographic and economic trends. Perhaps the biggest transformation is happening in Vietnam's consumer market. Millions of people are joining the middle class. Disposable income continues to rise. Consumers are spending more on technology, healthcare, food and beverage, travel, financial services, lifestyle products, premium experiences. For many businesses, the greatest opportunity isn't manufacturing in Vietnam, it's selling directly to Vietnamese consumers. Sustainability is becoming another important investment theme. As energy demand increases and businesses focus on ESG goals, opportunities are emerging in renewable energy, energy efficiency, green manufacturing, environmental consulting, sustainable infrastructure. At the same time, growing foreign investment continues to drive demand for professional services such as legal, accounting, hour, recruitment, compliance, business advisory, market entry consulting. Every new foreign investor creates demand for businesses that help them operate successfully. No one can predict the future with certainty. But successful investors often have one thing in common: they enter growth markets before they become overcrowded. Vietnam is no longer an undiscovered market, but many believe it is still in the early stages of a much longer growth journey. For investors with a long-term perspective, that may represent one of the country's greatest advantages. Recognizing an opportunity is only the first step. Foreign investors also need to understand company formation, investment licensing, regulatory requirements, tax obligations, employment laws, ongoing compliance. At LTS Law, we help entrepreneurs, SMEs, startups, investors, and international companies establish and expand their businesses in Vietnam. Whether you're entering the market today or planning for the next decade, our team can help you build the legal foundation for long-term success. If you're considering investing in Vietnam's future, book a consultation with LTS Law. Because the biggest investment opportunities often belong to those who recognize them before everyone else does.